Hello everyone, my name is Bhumit Sagatia from College Dunia. Today I am at Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College, Kim, Gujarat. So today we are having with Dr. Anand Deshmukh sir. He is Associate Professor and Industrial Research Coordinator. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunia. Hello sir, welcome.
Hello.
So start with the interview sir. My first question is the education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can inbound students gain from studying here in your college?
See, it's a very appropriate and rational question. See, in most of the time, if you see at the Western countries, the education system is quite different. The students are being identified and their skills are being actually explored. But if you look at in Indian context, we see that most of our education system are being designed to serve for the industry. But here at our institute, Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College, we have developed our curriculum in such a way that student will get a hands-on experience for the industrial exposure, right? As well as for the clinical exploitation of the pharmacy practices. So here we inculcate the hands-on experience and the research as the basic part of our curriculum, which enable them and which actually equate them to compete anywhere globally.
Very well said, sir. On that note, my next question is how does the curriculum of Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College ensure the best practice of industry?
In continuation to my previous answer, I would like to add on that we have the DSIR Cyro lab at our facility, as well as we are the NBA accredited institute, and very shortly we are also going to get the NEC accreditation. So in this context, we assure you that the best practices of the industry as well as the academia is already inculcated in our curriculum. We focus basically on the project related study purpose. I mean, here the student will take up the projects from the industry in guidance of the qualified professors and they practice it. So in that way, actually they gain the knowledge and skill both together, which is an added advantage definitely.
Very well said, sir. So my next question is, what do you think should be the Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College top priority over the next 10 years?
In next 10 years, I would say that we see our institute to be known as one of the premier research institute, not only nationally but as at a global platform also. We have been thinking of bringing many more new methodology of teaching and learning apart from the NBA system and all. And we are also been looking forward for expanding. Now we are been coming under the GTU, which is in Gujarat Technological University, but slowly we are been planning to come out and develop our own university so that we can manage and we can actually include the quality parameter to much broader aspect.
Very nicely explained, sir. On that note, my next question is, when you first came to Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College, what was your vision for the college? Has it evolved over time and how far along it implementing that vision are you?
Yes, definitely it has been evolved during the time when I joined this institute long back around 10 years back. So that time even I was pursuing my PhD. So my entire intention was to develop a good research which could be industrially adaptable. And I succeeded here because of the facilities which was available here. So I successfully done that. Later on, the ambition of my as in part of this institute is to bring more of the industrial research. And definitely now today we are at the point where more than 3 CR of the industrial funded research are already being granted to the institute. So I think it is a great lead, and in future also we expect that more number of such kind of projects will be entered into the institute. So we would be definitely being knowing as one of the premium research institute.
Very well said, sir. So jumping to my last question, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
For the current youth, my message is very clear that you should always believe in yourself. You should identify where exactly you want to make a career, and for that you have to really look into and you have to make a good survey and you have to identify what are the key features of any institute before you actually get into it. And apart from that, you should always keep yourself motivated and you should always believe in pursuing your dream to the deepest. Then only you would be actually achieving what you want to achieve.
Very well said, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us such informative information about your college. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, College Dunia.